Monkey Mechanic is delivering his car. Ding, 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 ding. A visitor. Who could it be? It's Mr. Rhino with his boat. Hello, Mr. Rhino. Hello. We're glad to see you all around. Yeah. And my boat is broke. You're glad to see you all around it here. You're glad? Yeah. It's Trusty Monkey Wrench. Ning, ning. Oh, wow. Thank you, Mr. Monkey. You're welcome. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, where's she going? Roxy. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Another side customer. You said customers. Now I can drive the helicopter. The town. Let's jump. But we can't drive. See you again next time. Oh wait. Okay. See you again next time.